Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis, price predictions, and news updates on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Solana and picking up where we left off in the previous Solana video. Now, not a whole lot has changed with Solana. There's very little volatility. We're seeing a lot of consolidation within the price. It has been trading sideways for over a week now. And the big thing here is that this consolidation now is lining Solana up within its 20-day moving average, which, as you can see, we're very close to attempt to actually break through this. So this consolidation could lead us into a little bit of a breakout within the price. Not anything probably too spectacular, but it would be nice to see some retracement within the price from the whole FTX fallout that had happened. So at that time, we were seeing Solana making some really nice gains, actually, and it was actually working its way up above that 100-day moving average just before the whole FTX fallout had happened. And then, of course, we've come down significantly from where we're at, where we're chasing a price that was around $39 just before the price of Solana had really crashed here due to the whole FTX situation. So it's a matter of time until we can really see what the next move is. Is there going to be one point leg down, or is Solana going to see a correction here? Because it just recently reached its 52-week low back on November 22nd. And at that time, the 52-week low was just a little bit under $11, $10.93 to be exact was our 52-week low. So we do have a low end. It was at the bottom. That's the other big question there, because this could easily lead us into the potential of having one more leg down, which in that case, if we were to try to figure out where that could take us, let me pan out here a little bit and get a little bit of an understanding about where we could be going with this. So if I was to take the Fibonacci retracement from what we had here and just line this up to our wave, where I'm calling the wave 4, if we were to see one more leg down within this, then there's that possibility that we could be seeing things go somewhere within the range of about $8.40, I'd say. Could be a possibility. That would be if we were to see things go down to a Fibonacci level lower than where we're at within all this, within the wave 3. So if there was a little bit more to come down here and to extend a wave 5, then we could be seeing it go to $8.40. I would say it could be the bottom. I know a lot of people would not want to hear that, but that's where things could go. That's one possibility. But if we're going to look at it as the possibility of a bottom being in, of this 5 waves down from the whole FTX fallout being that completion that we needed, then we could have that bottom in and things be slowly start trending to the upside here. But it's just a matter of time till we can really figure out what's going to happen there. As we would need to see a lot of retracement within the price. And by a lot of retracement, I mean, there is really a lot to retrace with Solana, especially when we look at it from where it was at during November of 2021, where Solana's price was upwards around $260, and now trading for around $14. Big difference within the price. Now, if we can call this all, though, these 5 waves that it had down, if we can come to a conclusion where this last 5th wave from this much larger wave impulses from its all-time high into now, looking at that, if that is complete, then we can be looking at a possible bullish chart. But it's just when are we going to be able to have that confirmation? This could be that possibility of that bullish chart. Or if it was to come down one more time, then we could say that could be the bottom there, and we could be turning things a bit more bullish here with Solana. But who knows if Solana would ever go back and retrace completely where it was from its all-time highs. But the crypto market, of course, is going through a lot right now. Solana is not the only cryptocurrency that's beat up. Plenty of cryptocurrencies beat up. Bitcoin's beat up. Ethereum's beat up. You know, even the top major cryptocurrencies have been going through a lot of pain. So that's just the overall market right now. That's the conditions that we're in. I think that in the long run, really, Solana has a lot of potential as far as things go with NFTs and its competition with Ethereum and things like that. That Solana could be a winner here when we look out a bit in the future here. But of course, right now it's just all about, you know, where's the next things are going to go. A lot of people are worried about DeFi. A lot of people are cautious with exchanges. All things that Solana needs to really rely on, DeFi and things like that, to really help out its price, which is in a much different situation right now due to the whole FTX fallout and the Terra Luna fallout and things like that have really impacted crypto. And it's going to be interesting to see who are the winners in this as time does go on. Now, since we do have a bearish price prediction, looking at that possibility, one more leg down, the price Solana going within a range of possibly $8.40, somewhere around there as the possibility that it could come down to. We have to look at the potential bullish prediction here, and that would say within this whole FTX fallout that if we were to go back to within this wave one from the date from the whole FTX fallout had taken place, and that would be within a price range somewhere around the price of $23, $24, somewhere around there. So let's hope for a possible Christmas rally. And let's say if we were to see something like that happen, to see some sort of retracement, some sort of positive price movements with Solana, then we could be looking at the potential that we could see that rebound, which is where we would need to go. We would need to see this go within that price range, somewhere between the price of $23 to $26, somewhere around there, to be hopeful that we could start to see a recovery here. And that's what we would need to see to be able to say, hey, we're no longer in a wave 4 anymore, a possible wave 4 with a wave 5 waiting to come down. We can say that we have completed that, and that this could potentially be that run up that we need for Solana to be able to start seeing things recover. But it's just how are we going to get there? So that's what I'm thinking. I think that we might be seeing things play out and take us there, but it's just a matter of time. There's a lot really going on. The crypto market's just not really there, but we got to be hopeful that we're going to start hearing some good news within the market, start to see a potential Santa rally, and that be the way that things could play out. But it's all waiting to be seen. I'm sorry that there's not more information I could really provide in this video, because that's just the overall market conditions, but I'm very hopeful on Solana in the long term. I think that there's a lot that could really come with Solana, so I'm bullish on it. I'm currently slowly just buying a little bit here and there, not trying to lose my hat with it for the potential that it could come down even lower. So, but I'm still bullish on Solana in the long term, hopeful at least at this point, until anything says anything otherwise. But I like to hear you guys' thoughts and opinions about Solana. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that we're getting close to start seeing a recovery within Solana's price? I would like to know. So that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every day, and I talk about many other altcoins every day as well. Thank you for watching and listening. See you the next one.